Okay.
My feet get stuck, Mommy. I'm a fireman.
Good. We'll have someone to help her. Who's going to help you if you get stuck?
You, Mommy.
I'm not a fireman, though.
But we'll get you out as a fireman in the morning, Mommy.
Suri is 11 months old. Kinley is just turned 3. Where are you?
I'm sleeping, Mommy.
Oh, yeah, in a laundry basket?
No, it's my bed.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
It's not a laundry basket. It's my bed. Good morning, Mommy.
Good morning, Kinley.
I like to show a fireman. Fireman with this, a shirt, a hat, and some pants and boots.